Hello doston, welcome to the Urban Wildlife India. We are discussing about the national parks and sanctuaries across the states of India. Today we will be discussing about Punjab. So Punjab is basically an agricultural land, and sadly it is not following the government mandate or recommendation of maintaining 33% of your total area, geographical area for forest. Sadly, only 3.67 percentage of its geographical area is forest. Having said that, it is still plays a very critical role in wildlife conservation and conserving biodiversity of North India. So let's dive into the National Park and Wildlife Sanctuaries of Punjab. The first one is Abohar Wildlife Sanctuary. The key animals in this particular sanctuary is the blackbuck, which is also its state animal, wild boar, blue bull, which is also said as Nilgai. Very ferocious animal and actually very dangerous for agriculture. It eats up a lot of crop. Indian jackal and common mongoose. The birds that you can see over here is peafowl, that is basically peacock and peafowl. Grey partridge, Indian roller, shikara, and red vented bulbul. Bulbul with red, color on cheeks. Major plants are kikar, shisham, neem, ber, and banyan, bargad. So neem and bargad are actually very important, and it plays a very big role. The area is quite small, it's only 186 square kilometers. It was established in 1975 and it is dry deciduous forest. Coming to second is Harike Wetland and Bird Sanctuary. Here the common animals that you can see are smooth-coated otters, Indian soft-shell turtles. These are very rare, by the way. So if you have a privilege to see them, it will be very nice. Fishing cat, golden jackal and jungle cat. The birds that you can see are bar-headed goose, northern shoveler, Eurasian spoonbill, common teal, and some ducks. The major plants are water hyacinth. By the way, the water hyacinth is not local or homegrown Indian plant. It is actually kind of a weed that came from some other country and it's actually polluting our rivers. Common reed, water chestnut and willow tree. The area is only 86 square kilometer. It was established in 1982 and it's a wetland forest. The third is Bir Bhadson Wildlife Sanctuary. The common animals that you can see is Indian pangolin, majestic creature. Just search about it, you will like it. Then there is rhesus macaque, rather you can say desi bandar, Indian leopard, chinkara and wild boar. Key birds are grey hornbill. If you see a grey hornbill, it will be terrifying at first to see, but also very beautiful. Common kingfisher, jungle babbler, rose ringed parakeet, black kite. The major plants are teak, arjun, amla, sal, kikar. It is only 1 square kilometer of area. It was established in 1952. It is a tropical dry deciduous forest. The fourth one is Takhni-Rehmapur Wildlife Sanctuary. Here the common animals are Indian pangolin, barking deer, leopard, rhesus macaque, bandar, small Indian civet. Key birds are red jungle fowl, pied hornbill. Pied hornbill is also very beautiful. Indian grey hornbill, black drongo, yellow footed green pigeon. Major plants are mango, neem, bamboo, jamun and kikar. It is spread out in 11 square kilometer. Established in 1952, it is also a tropical dry deciduous forest. The fifth one is Jajjar Wildlife Sanctuary. The common animals that you can see over here is sambar, chital, wild boar, Indian hare, Indian leopard. Key birds are cattle, egret, black-headed ibis. So black-headed ibis, if you see, it is having a very long beak and it actually digs up in land to get some insects. Very beautiful bird to see, and not a common sight. Then there are painted stork, purple heron, red vaulted lapwing. So purple heron is also a big bird. If you see it, you will find it very mesmerizing. The area of this particular wildlife sanctuary is only 13 square kilometer. It was established in 1952. It is also a tropical dry deciduous forest. Talking about Punjab makes me a little bit sad, because although this is a very big state and it is known for having a lot of water, like Punjab means 5 rivers, although after partition only 3 rivers are left in Punjab, but it is having a very pathetic condition when it comes to forestry. So there are some problems with Punjab, and if we talk about Punjab, the alignments are also there with the rules of government, or rather say the guidelines of government. So the alignment are like with different Indian forest acts. First is Forest Act of 1980, where Punjab has taken a significant effort to regulate the diversification of forest, which includes deciduous forest and wetland. The second is Indian Forest Act of 1927. Most sanctuaries and national park need to adhere to it, and they do adhere to it, which is prohibition of tree felling and poaching within reserved zones. So no commercial activity is allowed, no cutting down of forest is allowed. Nobody except forest officers are allowed in that particular zone. The third is National Forestry Policy of 1988, where Punjab has promoted afforestation projects, especially in degraded areas, aligning it with the goal of increasing forest cover. So a very intense work is required to increase its forest cover. Now we come to the area of concern. So the forest cover goal is actually very high. The government is recommending 33% of forest cover. Punjab is having only 3.67% of forest cover. If you like this video, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Also share it with your friends, and keep on watching Urban Wildlife. Thank you all.